We live our summer life in search of beautiful and safe anchorages. Syvota was one of these that offered so much more as well. Sit back and enjoy the paradise we found in the Ionians. I hope you enjoy. This is Cordelia, our Venus ketch. This is Steve. I'm Annette, and this is the cutest member of our crew, Gus. Our dream was 10 years in the planning. In the end, you only ever regret the chances you didn't take.
We may be able to anchor up just behind this blue boat down here. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Didn't expect Greece to be quite so green, but it really is. Look at all of that. It's very, very humid here though, so at night it's very, very wet. And overnight, this morning it looked like a swimming pool, our boat did. Ole ole! Wow, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're in 8 metres of water. Steve's just putting out the anchor. Looking forward to going and doing a bit of exploring. Let's bring in my washing. We look like the old cackers from the Havers. There's a sandbar that goes from one side of to the other. You can see it because the people are out there. Oh, can't wait to get over there. Can't wait to get over there. Lovely, lovely. Wow, all the fish down there. As you can see, apart from the one white boat a lot further up, we were all on our own. It was lovely. He's a good boy. Go on then. Are we swimming? Look, he did it himself. Good boy. Oh, that's really good. Steve! Steve! Wow, you're a good boy! Good boy! Good boy, Jack.
I watch you as kiss you dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
This is Syvota. Obviously very busy with boats. A lot of them charter boats.
Just round the next bay from where we are anchored, we are brought back to reality. Syvota is a holiday location and caters for the tourists with plenty of restaurants and shops. It's quaint and beautiful, but although it doesn't look like it here, it is quite busy.
You couldn't sit out there all bloody day.
No. Wow, look at that water. My God. Smells like a cave. Wow. I know they're laughing there, no. Wonder what kind of birds they are.
Bats.
They're not bats.
They're bats.
You reckon?
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. What, making all that noise? Look at the holes up there, Steve.
We visit many more anchorages that you'll see coming up in our next episode, but Syvota to us was very special. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to share, like and comment. You can support us through Patreon or buy us a coffee. Links to both of these are below. Thanks for watching. See you in a couple of weeks.